Hi there, this is Gabe from GuideWiz. Today I'm going to show you a very easy and quick tutorial on how to add a Spotify or a Spotify playlist to Notion. All you have to do is go to Spotify, select your playlist, press those three dots and go to the Share tab, press Embed Playlist. All you have to do is copy the link, go to Notion, type /embed, select the first option, and paste your link. Then press embed link, and there you have it. You have your Spotify playlist embedded on your Notion page. You can use the arrows on the side, on the bottom, to make it as wide or as long as you want it. And there you'll have your Spotify playlist. You can use also the Notion controls for your playlist. You can align it, you can comment on it, you can add captions, or you can open it in a browser or in the native Spotify app. So yeah, there you have it. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe for more.